Hi everyone. So in the previous session we have seen a problem. Let us see the next problem in the graphical method. So the problem is number 3. The problem is maximize z is equals to 3x plus 2y subjected to 5x plus 4y greater than or equals to 20, 3x plus 2y less than or equals to 6, x comma y greater than or equals to 0. So in previous problems we have seen all the constraints are of less than or equals to, but here the one constraint is greater than or equals to, another constraint is less than or equals to. Let us see the problems, how these will be and how the solution will be. Okay, so first let us take the constraint. So first convert the constraints inequalities into the equalities. So what is the first constraint? 5x plus 4y is equals to 20. This is equation number 1. Now I need to find the vertices of this equation. So if x is equals to 0, then what is the value of y? If x is 0 means 5x is 0. So 4y is equals to 20 and y is 5. So if you write that as vertices, x is 0, y is 5. Okay, next. What is the next equation or constraint? Sorry, take if y as 0. If y is 0 means 4y is 0, then 5x is equals to 20, then x is equals to 4. So the vertices is x value 4, y value 0. So now the 2 points for the equation we got. So coming to second one, 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. This is equation number 2. So I need the vertices of this equation. So how to find? If x is equals to 0. If x is 0 means 3x is 0, then 2y is equals to 6. So y is equals to 3. So if you write that as a vertices, x is 0, y is 3. Right? And next, take y as 0. So if y is equals to 0 means, then 2y is 0. So 3x equals to 6. So x is equals to 2. So x comma y means x is 2, y is 0. So now we got the vertices of the two equations. So now we need to draw the graph. So how to draw the graph? So what are values? The maximum value of x coordinate is 4, the maximum value of y coordinate is 5. So now let us draw a small graph. It is sufficient. So this one will represent x, this one will represent y, right? So now locate 0. I am taking one unit as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So now let us locate the first equation here, 0 comma 5, 4 comma 0. So what is 0 comma 5? 0 comma 5 means x is 0, y is 5. So this one is the point. And what is second one? 4 comma 0. So x is 4, y is 0. So now draw a line by joining these 2 points. So but this is first constraint. What is the type of constraint? Greater than or equals to. So the region is completely above the line. The region is completely above the line. Okay, next let us go for second constraint. The second constraint vertices are 0, 3, 2, 0. So 0, 3 means this one, 2, 0 means this one. Now let us draw a line by joining these points. So this is the line, second constraint. So what is the type of constraint? It is less than or equals to. So the region is completely below the line. Right. Now two constraints were drawn on the graph. So now we need to identify the common region for the problem. Right, as usual our procedure, first let us start from the origin. So if I started from origin, if I take a point here, so the point is below the second constraint, condition satisfied, but whether the point is above the first line, the condition is not satisfied. So we should not start from here. Okay, let us start from here. Whether if you take a point here, the condition 2 is satisfied, but what about the constraint 1, whether the point is above the line? No, the condition is not satisfied. Okay, let us start from here. So if you take a point here, the point is not below this line and the point is not above this line, the condition is not satisfied. Or let us start from here, the point is on the line, okay, but the point is not below this line, so the condition is not satisfied. So if or otherwise I will take a point here, the point is on the line 2 but it is not above the 1, so the condition is not satisfied. Or I will take a point here, the point is on 1 but it is not below 2, the condition is not satisfied. Or I will take a point here, the point is above this line but it is not below the 2, the condition is not satisfied. Or you can take any point here, the point is above the first line but it is not below the second line. So that means for this problem we are unable to find the common feasible region. There is no feasible region for this problem. ఈ ప్రాబ్లంకి మనం ఎక్కడా కూడా feasible region అనేది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయలేకపోతున్నాం. We are unable to identify. So for this problem there is no feasible region. There is no feasible region. So if there is no feasible region, common feasible region, then we will say that for this type of problem there is no feasible solution. There is no feasible solution with constraints 1 and 2. As we are not having any common feasible region, we are saying that there is no feasible solution with the constraints 1 and 2 for the given objective function. Okay, so this is a one model of problem, right? So here there is no feasible region. We are unable to find the values of x and y, so we are unable to find the value of z also. Okay, right, thank you.